Investing in Binance and earning money involves several steps. Create an account. Start by creating an account on the Binance platform. This involves providing your email address, creating a secure password, and completing any identity verification process required. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your Binance account using fiat currency or cryptocurrencies. You can do this via bank transfer, credit or debit card, or by transferring cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Research. Before investing, conduct thorough research on various cryptocurrencies available on Binance. Consider factors such as the project's fundamentals, team, technology, market trends, and potential for future growth. Select an investment strategy. Decide on your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. You can choose to invest in individual cryptocurrencies, trade actively, or participate in Binance's staking, savings, or lending programs. Execute trades. Once you've identified your investment opportunities, execute trades on the Binance platform. You can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies against each other using various trading pairs available on the exchange. Manage your portfolio. Monitor your investments regularly and adjust your portfolio as needed based on market conditions and your investment objectives. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies to protect your capital, such as setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your investment across different assets.